Now, today I'm gonna embark on something totally different. These are okras, and these are also okras. These are Chinese okras. So I have an idea. I went to the store to buy some okras, and I picked up this set. But then when I look around, I saw that there's some okras here. So I said, you know what? Okras are okras, and there's the challenge. I am going to make me some okras, shrimp, and tomato rice. Let's see what goes. So already see I have my okras, Chinese okras, West Indian okras. Here's my garlic. Here is my barley. And here is my chickpeas. And looking over, the ingredients are you have to put tomatoes. So I have 4 large tomatoes, 2 onions, and to top it off, there's my shrimp. I got some fresh shrimp there too, but I'm going to use this cooked shrimp there because when I'm finished, I can just add it quickly at the end. Alright, so here we go. Never made this before, but you know, people are saying things are very expensive to cook and go shopping, and the simpler way to do things, the better. So, if Chinese can eat these Chinese okras, I have no idea how they taste, but I'm sure they taste just like these okras. But I am going to mix them together. Now, just want to tell you, it's not an easy thing to think when you're going to make this okras and shrimp, whatever I'm going to make. First of all, remember the okras are very slimy. So what I'm going to do is, before I start to cook, just cut them up and think, I'm going to cut them up, wash them up, let them sit for a little while, about 40 minutes, so that they can dry out, so they can get rid of some of that sliminess. And then you're going to see me do more than you think. I'm actually going to, after do that, I'm going to dip them in flour and cornmeal with a little bit of spices, and then I'm going to fry them up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to fry them so that I can help release some of the stickiness. And after that, then when I'm cooking the rice, I'm going to add the rice at the end with all the other ingredients. So the first thing to go into the pot will be the barley, because you know the barley takes a long time to marinate and get wet. So I have to put the barley in first so that it will get big, because it's, you know, it takes a little while before you're ready to use it. So probably about 40 minutes. So I'm figuring by the time I finish everything, my barley and everything will be ready to go. Here we go. I'll tell you what the name is at the end.
Yes, I make this food. You know, I cook a lot.
That's how I'm looking my big pot.
This string, this
on top now,
okras, shrimp rice,
West Indian
with tomatoes.
Low.
I hope you all could enjoy.
And
you know, it's a challenge to make anything, but it's always exciting.
I'm excited to see the outcome and the taste. Okay, I've added the onions, the chickpeas, and the barley. Just a little bit of the barley. And I've got them added here, but before I did that, I took the okras and I added some cornmeal and flour to it. Just a little bit of oil in the pan, just as you're going to fry them up, just to get rid of some of that, you know, like the lick, you know, like all the long, it could be things, you know, slimy little things that we would call it. But now I've added all those, so the onions are here, because the onions need to cook, and I'll let it cook for another 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to add the rice. then after I add the rice, I'll wait for a while, then I add tomatoes, and then I'll add the shrimp. What a meal I'm expecting. Don't know what it is, I can't name it, but I'm sure I'm gonna add some flavor into it to make sure it tastes pretty decent. And here we go. So the only thing in here gonna be shrimp. That's gonna be meat. There's no meat, there's only fish, it's shrimp. Yep. Okay, I've added the shrimps, and you can see I added the tomatoes. So now the rice and everything, and so let it simmer. Let the rice come up, and then just taste it to make sure it's good for tasting, and we're ready to go. Ain't that nice? Look at that. Yeah? Okra rice with shrimps and tomatoes. Yummy. Okay, so this is what happens after I've done it. You'll notice it is kind of not much water in there, but you can still see the rice. I think when I put 1 cup of rice, I should have put 2. Okay? But it tastes good anyways. It tastes very good. No question about that. So what I'm gonna do is, the reason I say it tastes good because see, yes, this is what came up with. I could probably put the lash prawns in here too, and some fish and all that to make it like fish jambalaya or something. But no. I just want to try it with these okras and see what happens. So what I'm gonna do is, because the rice didn't come as much, I only put 1 cup of rice. What I'm gonna do is I am going to cook 1 extra cup, because it looks like it required 2 cups of rice. You try things, you see what happens. And I will add the 2nd cup of rice into this and mix it up and see what happens. But anyways, it's good, and I will make it again. But this next time I will make it with 2 cups of rice. Yeah, boy, this was. Well, I've added 1 more cup of rice now, but this rice I had to actually cook in my rice cooker before adding. What a difference it makes. Now look at this. Yes, look at fluffy. Wow. So now I'm going to taste it and see what the difference is.